Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to run System File Checker SFC from Windows 10 or Windows 11 as an administrator. So System File Checker SFC is a command line utility built into Microsoft Windows that scans and restores corrupted system files. It's an important tool for maintaining the health and stability of the operating system. And then I'll show you on how to run these commands. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu. And then here you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to click or tap this run as administrator. And then if you receive user account control, and then you need to tap or click this yes. And it will pop up now this administrator command prompt. And the next step, and then you need to type or enter this command keyword SFC space / scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then you need to press enter. And then it will beginning the system scan. So this process will take some time and beginning verifications, phase of system scan. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So how it works and why it's important. SFC functions by comparing your current Windows system files against known good versions of the same files stored in a special cache. If it detects a corrupted, missing, or altered file, it will attempt to replace it with the correct versions. This utility is crucial because corrupted system files can lead to a variety of issues, from minor program glitches and poor performance to more severe problems like critical errors, system crashes, or even a complete failure to boot. By repairing these files, SFC helps maintain system stability. It ensures that core components of Windows are intact and functioning as they should. Number 2 is to resolve errors. It can fix issues that are direct result of damaged system files, such as program filing to start. And the last one, prevent reinstallations. In many cases, using SFC can resolve problems that would otherwise require a full reinstallations of Windows. So to use the tool, you typically run the command SFC space / scan now in an elevated command prompt or PowerShell Windows. While SFC is a powerful tool, sometimes it can't fix an issue on its own. In those cases, it's often recommended to use the deployment image servicings and management, or this is the DSM scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And then verifications 100% complete. So all you have to do is to close this CMD. And then here at the power button here at left side corner, then you need to restart your PC to fix all the error here. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.